Anamika, her beauty can be compared with a bed of roses. She stole my heart, a soft-spoken girl who had the fragrance of jasmine. And because of that, the wait for her was worth it.
Hey, mind me please. I'm behind you for a long time.
I've told you so many times that I'm already committed. Please don't disturb me.
If that is, that is. At least spend 1 hour at least with me here.
You?
Okay.
What happened? You're late today? Tell me, dear.
That Rajesh, he's troubling me like anything. Today he misbehaved and used abusive languages towards me.
I will take care of that. You cheer up. Oh my God, what a scene. Hey, madam is coming.
I know. This is not allowed over here. All these things can be at home. Go back to your work.
Sorry, madam. Stop the car.
Hey,
You
what?
will try to misbehave with girls or what?
Who are you ask that?
I have the right to ask. That is why I'm asking you.
Hey, don't create a fuss here.
Just shut your mouth, okay? And move away from here.
Hey there. What is the problem?
Bro, these buggers are ragging. They are not leaving any girls.
Hey, leave this place. You also go, man.
Mind
Don't create
you.
a problem on the road. Go. Go. Come on, go. I'll take care of this chap later. Sir? Key.
Did you check?
Yes, sir.
Deepu, can you just call Anamika?
Okay, sir.
Sir?
I won't be here in office for 2 days.
Okay, sir.
I'm just going to attend a business meeting. So I want you to take care of the office.
Sure, sir.
Now you can go.
Okay, sir.
Yes! Now you will be in my trap, buddy.
Madam looks very nice, no? I liked it very much.
Hey, what are you doing?
Sir, that...
What?
Anamika madam is on the internet. Let's leave, escape.
That incident shattered me. The man inside me, I never expected at all. It made my life miserable. I was just lost in my thoughts.
Mom,
Oh God. What happened to you? Did you fight with anybody?
if I have a sister like this, I have to take beatings from the public.
What have you done, Anamika?
Her naked photos have been flashed in the internet.
Oh my God. What is all this? Instead of this, you should have given us some poison.
Mom, if you also believe this, that's not my photo at all. Brother, do you think that your little sister will do all these things?
Then what did I see? It's you. Now get lost from here.
Oh my God. My family's reputation is gone.
Daddy? Daddy?
I know about you, dear. I know about my daughter. Whoever has done this, God will punish them. But you have lost your life, my dear. That's the only worry I have. What to do? I did not know how to react myself. That was my mental status.
Hello. Peak was beautiful, huh?
I just thought of introducing me to you. My name is Vishak.
Did I ask for your introduction? Listen, don't try to play such games with me, okay?
Don't play games with me. I know what you are. Just tell me what your rate is.
Mano,
Coming 14th of this month, I have made a small change in the program.
What's that, sir?
We can go together. Just for 2 days. Let's enjoy the life. Okay, bye.
You look very hot in WhatsApp. She is not hot. She is hottest. Please consider us also, madam.
And finally, I decided to open my heart. You would have done a mistake or not. But accepting everything and becoming a clown of myself in the society, it's difficult for me.
Hey buddy, your girl is on the net again.
What?
My name is Anamika. Hope you remember me. Not possible. More than my face, you have been concentrating only on my body, isn't it? You have only that in your mind. First of all, let me tell you one thing. Those who are watching me on the net over here, I am very much ashamed to say that though the technology is improved in this modern time, that the naked pictures of the woman you see on the net may not be the original face of the woman's body you have seen on the net. You purposely ignore the whole truth behind this. People who misbehave with women like this will one day will surely misbehave with your sister or daughter like this. Who knows that? Women are the strength. She's a mother. She's a goddess. That's what we have been believing. If you get a small opportunity, will you misbehave like this? And will you all mentally torture her like this? Do you think that your father has given birth to you? The society which cannot give respect or who cannot believe in a woman's feelings. Here, see this. This is my real body. Many ladies like me have suffered and gone through this, but they have not been able to express their feelings out. They have been keeping their mouth shut. But I have bravely come forward to show what the real truth is. Here, see, this is my true body. Now tell me, is this the body you have been watching and enjoying all these days through the net? Today I've shown all of you my true body publicly without shame. Now let me see who has the guts to face me. If so, come to me directly.
She was forced to do this mistake, and it was a provocation from my side, which I understood later, and I regret for that.
Anamika, where are you going? I talk like that because of my worries.
Mom, just like you, everyone in this world never trust their daughters. When a daughter grows up, Her best friend in the world is her mother only. If she has any problems, it should be her mother who understands first and guide her. If you don't get it properly, that's when she is forced to fall into the trap of crooked people. She never tries to come back to her house at all. Dad?
God bless you, dear.
It was you who supported me. I didn't commit suicide just because I thought you will be hurt. I want your blessings, Dad. I have no problem. I can stay in a ladies' hostel, Dad.
Okay. You will come up in life. God bless.
Dad.
I'm sorry. Actually, I felt ashamed in front of the people. That's the reason I came now to meet your father to fix a marriage date.
Do you think a girl will like a person like you to be your life partner? A girl will always need a man to be at the side of her when any difficulties come. Okay, Dad.
That was an unexpected blow to me. Anamika had continued her simple life. She was a very powerful girl, a bold lady, and that type of woman a man needs now. I will wait. I will wait my entire life for her. And I don't require any of your sympathy. My life should be a lesson to the men in the society.